What's good, everybody? I'm back with another shoe unboxing and review video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Pharrell, the Solar Pack, and this is actually going to be the turquoise colorway. As you can see, I got a size 7.5. I actually wasn't able to get my size in these shoes, so I ended up just getting these. Resale is trash on these, as you might already know, so I'm actually just returning these, which is nice. You can do that with Adidas. Anyway, aside from that, let's get right into the unboxing review of the shoe. So as you can see, the patterns on the shoe are actually very cool. I like the different colors they have going on there. They have a black and white heathered pattern along with some turquoise mixed in. As you can see, right behind that purple caging there and that all white boost midsole. The laces are a bright orange with some black hits on the lace tips. They also have some 3M hits all around them. On the collar of the shoe, you can actually see there's a bunch of different colors going on there. It's pretty cool. And on that back collar there, on the heel, there's a 3M area with the Pharrell and the Adidas logo and some shiny looking material. Insole of the shoe has a couple different things. For some reason it says pelvis right there. Also has the Adidas and the Pharrell logo inside there once again. That heathered black and white pattern with that turquoise is continuing all along the shoe. Now to the outsole, it's got kind of a hiking looking sort of traction with that Adidas logo in the middle. It's bright orange. You can see some of that boost through it. That purple caging is on the medial side of the shoe as well. The words on these shoes actually mean forever forward, and they are in Swahili, but of course they have some numbers mixed in, so that's kind of interesting. Personally, I do like these, but I feel like he could have done a better job. Definitely like some of the older colors a lot better. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys a quick look at this shoe. As I said, I'm just going to be returning them, but I thought I'd make a video on them real quick before I did. So anyway, thank you for watching. Check out my other videos, and I'll be making some more soon. Peace out.